what was my purpose and context? Well, the immediate purpose and context was my kids are going to do a debate about dreams. In a more further flung context, I want my kids to think about the power of sleep and the power of dreams in their lives. I am teaching them how to extract and judge evidence. And that's something that has an immediate purpose in the context of debates, but is obviously going to have a more far-flung, transferable purpose throughout their lives. Now, what did Cliff do with us? He spent most of the time on getting us to extract evidence. So we were practicing. We were doing composing to practice in extracting evidence. What are the terms of art that we need to understand? What would be good evidence? And he had us practice that in various ways. That was getting the stuff we might use in our debate. Knowing the terms, right? The declarative knowledge of substance came from that. We learned the terms of art that we might use. We cited the quotes that we might use and discuss and came to understand them. Now, there was also procedural knowledge of form because he gave us a heuristic and helped us think about that heuristic for judging evidence. What does good evidence look like? How is it shaped and presented? And if we can declare, if we can name the things in that heuristic, we have declarative knowledge of form. If we can actually shape the evidence that we got into a form that is verifiable, current, transparent, the things that we talked about in the heuristic, then we have procedural knowledge of form. Notice we learned quite a few things about dreams and sleep. That would be declarative knowledge of substance. But we also got a deeper declarative knowledge of substance because we learned how did this article have certain meanings and effects because its substance was shaped in particular ways. So we went all the way through the kinds of knowledge. Also, we got another deeper declarative knowledge of substance because we learned how evidence is shaped in particular ways to have particular meanings and effects. And that's much more, that's a deep understanding we can transfer to any situation in our lives. So that's how Cliff did those 5 kinds of knowledge. And we did a lot of composing to practice, which might have actually led pretty directly to composing a plan or draft had we had the time to actually come up with our debate or our speech in the debate, etc.